Welcome to the Mercury Minute.
Tuesday, November 10th. The moon is in Leo as the day begins, and early in the morning the moon enters Virgo. You feel a sense of constraint which provides you a choice to get your work organized. The sun in Scorpio is square to Jupiter in Aquarius. With the mythological wave of energy permeating today's circumstances, you are provided a way to use moderation as a guide for a wonderful day. Opportunity always comes in disguises which are not always recognized. Meditate on listening to light as a new way of seeing. To be alive is the most creative aspect of life. Life is simply the complex for the sacred simple. If you're a Pisces, then pay attention to the work at hand and stay focused in the moment for your presence to guide you. Aries, today you are challenged, so pay attention in the moment for the best results. Making the simple complicated is commonplace. Making the complicated simple, awesomely simple, that's creativity. Charles Mingus, Tuesday, November 10th, that's your Mercury Minute.